Hello, I'm celebrity chef Mariko, and today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant-style blue cheese dressing. To get started, you'll want to get your bowl and add a half a cup of sour cream. This is what's going to help give some of the tang to your dressing. You'll want to add a half a cup of mayonnaise. I like using actual full-bodied regular mayonnaise so you get that full, rich texture. There's going to be no cheating here. Then you want to add a couple tablespoons of blue cheese and a couple tablespoons of buttermilk. Buttermilk is that secret ingredient that gives the restaurant-style blue cheese dressing its bite. You have to add a little bit of salt and pepper and then a little bit of fresh lemon juice. Then you just want to mix everything together until blended, and that is it. This is exactly how you make a restaurant-style blue cheese dressing, and it's ready for your favorite salad or hot wings or to dip your favorite veggies in. For this dressing, I like to let it sit in the refrigerator for at least half an hour, sometimes longer. That's going to help the flavors develop and get the full blue cheese flavor in your restaurant-style dressing. This is Mariko showing you how to make a restaurant-style blue cheese dressing. Enjoy!